So guess what? It's in the morning and it's actually school time on Thursday. And why am I awake right now? So well, I'm wearing my cute pretty dress with this and my lip gloss. I'm doing my makeup and look at the back of my hair. I hope so you have seen it. So happy World Book Day! So for World Book Day, I'm doing the word blizzard, which is like heavy storm and stuff. So I got my stress ball with me and I'm pretty stressed out because I've just supposed to wear it, but I've made it, so I don't know. So get ready for the product. It is blizzard. So this is actually cotton. I spray painted the cardboard, then I added cotton, and then I put it like these rain things. Wait, so look at this. It's so cute, right? Oh my gosh, pretty cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I just figured out that there needs to be a wire there, which is this wire, so I have to quickly go upstairs and get it. So please tell me in the comments what is your World Book Day word. Maybe in all over the world, but this year her teacher said that we're gonna do like this theme. So yeah, so vocabulary theme, the librarian story. I'm not a librarian, but yeah. And yeah, my lips are literally glossing so much. I had 1 layer of lip balm and 2 layers of lip gloss. I got my 2 pieces of tape and my thread. I've attached the string which holds it up like this, and this is the back. It is not really good looking, but look at the front. And I've seen that lightning is pretty rare in like snow, like blizzard, so I add lighting because I'm rare. And I wrote my board here. Okay, bye guys. See you in my next video, and make sure to check out my co-star channel, which is #TrishaDancingStar, #TrishaDancingStar. So yeah, see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.